Welcome back, miners. So I quickly wanted to make a video about N1 Finance and crypto. And like I said before, my channel will be dedicated just to mining and crypto and investing, right? Mining, crypto, investing. All of them are three different things, right? Obviously, as far as it comes for the point of view of investing, right, which is what this video is going to be about, always know what you're buying. What does that mean? Or what do I mean by that, right? Like if you see right here, this is my overall portfolio that I'm gonna have, or my net worth in general that I have invested in N1 Finance at this moment, right? Depending on when you guys see this video, I might have more or less invested into this thing. But anyway, guys, so this is my recent transfers that I made, and then if you click right here, if we go to invest, right, this is for my dividend portfolio. Like I said, when it comes to investing, I don't think you should just be focused on one thing. You can invest all over, right? As long as it's something that you research, you feel comfortable about, you can invest in anything, right? You can invest in art, you can invest in real estate, you can invest in crypto, you can invest in dividend stocks, right? So anything goes, right? As long as it's profitable for you and it's something that you understand. You don't have to be just focused on one thing and one thing only. Just because you're a miner and you believe in crypto or in the blockchain technology or anything like that, right? Anything related to crypto or blockchain technology, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't invest in dividend or real estate or art, right? So this is what I have right now as far as my dividend portfolio goes. So you can see right here, I have set up 3 pipes, and this is why I love N1 Finance, right? Because I can invest $100 a month or a week or whatever, and you'll split it up across these guys over here, right? Depending on how it's set up. So I have set up over here 50% goes here, 20% goes here, 30% goes here, right? So if you were thinking about, let's say, okay, I have $100 that I invested every week, so that will be $50 go here, $30 go here, $20 go here, right? That's what I love about this. You can do the same when it comes to cryptocurrency and real estate and all that stuff, right? But you have to manually set them up, right? It's not like FTX or Binance or any other top exchanges for crypto will let you do this. Yes, it will let you do reoccurring deposits or transfers, but you have to manually tell it how much you wanted to pull out of the $100 that you want to invest, right? So you have to individually set up each one by one, right? But if I were to set it up, let's say for when it comes to crypto over here, right? I label this so that way I know when I started investing on N1 Finance when it comes to my crypto portfolio, right? I'm trying to move everything that I have set up in Binance, FTX, or any of the exchanges. I'm trying to move everything here into N1 Finance. Anything that I think that it will be long term, right? Because this is what N1 Finance is all about. It's something that you're going to invest money and you're going to forget about it for the next 2 years, for the next year, for the next 5 years, right? It's not something that you're going to be constantly moving money in and out or making transfers or anything like that, or selling and buying. This is for now long-term perspective or mind point of view, right? That you're going to invest your money and you're going to forget about it and you're going to pull it off when you think, a year from now, 2 years from now, whenever you think it's really profitable for you, right? Again, I'm sure these guys are going to add more currency or crypto projects or coins or tokens or whatever to N1 Finance, but this is what I have right now. And as you can see, my money is pretty well spread out. Bitcoin making 35% of it, and then everything else just very small portion of my portfolio. So far, I invested $222, right? For my value right now, as of right now, and I'm losing $11 at this moment, right? It all depends when you guys watch this. And if we go to funding histories, okay, you'll see that I put $234 altogether, right? And currently, I only have $222 dollars, right? And this is what I'm investing on. All these guys over here, okay? So again, do your own research, understand your projects and what it is that you're investing on. Now if we go back to my dividend portfolio, right, same thing applies, okay? So if we go to dividend growth over here, I got this ETFs right here that I believe on, that I researched, and I think they're not going to go anywhere, okay? If you want to have more details on it, you guys can look into them yourself, but this is what I'm investing in. This is what I believe. This is before I pull all my money out when I wanted to buy the house. This is what I had set up the same way. Everything that I have right now, that's exactly how I had it set up, and I made in less than a year, right? Obviously, the stock market was booming and everything. I made more than $2,000, more than $1,500. It's somewhere between $1,500 to $1,000 that I made in less than a year. Okay. Again, we go back, right, to my dividend stocks individually. So there's three pies. Okay, ETFs, growth dividend stocks, and then income only. Okay. So if you come in here, same idea. These are just stocks, individually stocks that I believe on, that I don't have to go crazy, right? ETF, the main point is that you don't have to do a bunch of research on a bunch of different companies, right? Like for me, I just set up the ETFs that I believe on, that I think they have a really good track record. I don't have to worry about it. Those things will do it, will do their thing, right? Then if I have one individually, look into companies, I believe in these companies right here. I don't think these companies are going to go anywhere anytime soon, right? So I can just look at this thing every 6 months, every year, you know, I don't have to worry about it. Like, I don't have to worry about Microsoft going bankrupt or something crazy majorly coming into the market and destroying Microsoft, right? Like another Apple or another Microsoft coming in and completely disrupt their company, right? That's not going to happen anytime soon, right? So same thing with Home Depot, Starbucks, right? Avi, right? This is a pharmaceutical company, by the way, and stuff like that. So I don't see any of that stuff happen anytime soon. And then same thing over here. If we come to this income only, these are income only ETF. These are really good in my opinion. Again, I did my own research. I believe in this ETF, so you guys can do your own things too. I don't want to make this video too long, but again, just focus on one thing. Research that, and then you can add it to your portfolio. Like I said, I love M1 Finance because of the idea that you can set this up like this, and you shouldn't have any issues. As far as if you only have $100 to invest every month, weekly, or whatever it is, you don't have to set up individually, right, to pull, $20 from your bank account, $20 here, $20 there, right? It'll just go nuts, and you'll go nuts, right? Having all these transactions all over the place. The only thing that you as a miner and you guys understand this will be, right, if we go back to our crypto portfolio over here, understand that as a miner or believer in blockchain and all that stuff, right, you're investing here for the long term. You cannot, right, it's not like if I put my money in Binance, or I have Bitcoin on Binance or Ethereum or whatever in Binance or FTX, you cannot transfer this like in and out, like to your private wallet or anything like that. These things will stay there. Right, you don't have access to your keys or any of that stuff, right, that you normally will have if you would have it on like an FTX or Binance, that you really have control to moving and transferring your cryptocurrency around. This is, like I said, mostly for like a long-term perspective, something that you want to put your money on and just forget about it for a while and not do any of those things, okay? So if you wanted to have access to your coins, really, and your keys and all this other stuff, and do all the fun stuff that you can do, then I recommend that you set up an account with Binance or FTX or any of those exchanges over there, Coinbase or any of that stuff. For you guys to do that. But anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Take care.